Statistical machine translation is something that's becoming very popular in the industry today, and one of the biggest challenges is the ability to determine the quality of the machine translation output. And the research project that we engaged in, it developed an algorithm to actually create a value or a measurement of that quality in the range of 0 to 100%. The higher the number, the higher the quality of the translation output. The KantanLabs group, which is our advanced research group, engaged with Andy Way's group over in the ADAPT Centre. And using one of their principal investigators and one of our lead developers, and by working together we came up with a really novel and unique way of actually developing that value or that score.
KantanMT have been involved with the ADAPT Centre for many years now as one of our industry partners. Tony's company was a spin-out company from the ADAPT machine translation labs that I run. After Tony left his previous company, he spent a long time in our machine translation labs finding out how machine translation actually worked. And then once he had sufficient knowledge himself, was able to spin this off and make a real success of this company. The ADAPT Research Centre here in DCU is very interested in making the fruits of our academic outputs available to industry. It's important for us to see that we can solve problems of real interest to our industry partners like KantanMT.
My role was to make sure that Dublin City University and the company could enter into an effective relationship with an agreement that made sense to both parties, so that the research and the eventual license was exactly what both parties needed to form a working relationship. Kantan is a fantastic story. They now employ more than 22 people here in Invent in Dublin City University. Their growth in sales, exports and profits have been astonishing, and we're very proud to be part of that.
The relationship was fantastic. It was great to be able to work closely with a centre of excellence, which is what ADAPT is, particularly with the knowledge that they have in relation to machine translation. And it was great for our KantanLabs group to coordinate and get involved in that project, because we were able to bring that idea from Andy's team to market very quickly within the Kantan platform.